Welcome back to the YouTube channel, everyone. Brennan Mejia here. Today we're gonna unbox the best monitor I have ever seen. I don't know if it's the best one in the world, but it's the best one I have ever seen. And since my opinion is the one I care about, I'm gonna say it is the best one in the world. All right, let's get to it. Whew. This thing is a beast. 27 inches of pure awesome screen display, 240 megahertz refresh rate, 1 millisecond response time. I said it right, that's right, yeah, okay, I memorized that really quickly on the back and said it and I second guessed myself. It also has some sweet RGB-ness and it's a huge upgrade from what I'm currently using, which is a hand-me-down monitor from my brother, thank you Connor, as well as a hand-me-down from my wife's aunt, also thank you, but I think it's actually a TV screen that I'm using as a monitor, so its refresh rate is like less than ideal. Everything I review and unbox, I have to do a handstand on to test its durability. I mean, at least so far, we may get to a point where that's not possible, but I trust Alienware's boxing potential to hold my weight. And if it doesn't, I'm gonna be very sad. Crunch, just kidding. Hey, look at that, see, it's fine. Yeah, there's these little handly things that I think I do that too. All right. They're staying, cool, they're staying. Guess what? There's tabby things here too. So I'm gonna remove those ones as well. And this one goes over there. And I think I just left it, maybe? It doesn't want to. Oh wait, something's happening. Aha! Now it's important you be very careful when you unbox things to make sure you don't damage anything inside the box. As I was saying. Instructions, ooh, parts. No, I think this is actually the panel that goes on the back of the monitor. I don't only think that because I was just told that during an outtake. No! So this is the spine or like the handle. More styrofoam, bye-bye. So they do a really good job of protecting the screen. Haha! Megazord activated. So piece one goes into the thingamabob. So I guess you actually attach this while it's still laying down in the box. So this piece is going to slide into the back of the monitor. It connects. So now, an epic display. So not only can you rotate this side to side, but it goes up and down like an elevator. What the heck? All right, now we're gonna plug things in. Buttons on the bottom. Look at that, Alienware. All right, see, it's changing colors. I'm assuming there's a setting somewhere in this to set it on the color you like, but the default seems to be the Alienware green, which is a fantastic color, if I do say so myself. Got the Alienware logo at the top. Oh, that's right, there's a cover, so we can make all the cables kind of incognito to clean up your gaming area. All right, so just make sure to move the cables out of the way as you slide this piece on, like so. There's a little bit of tape on this diamond right here as well. Ta-da! So I hope you enjoyed this unboxing as much as I did. I'm gonna go continue to enjoy this amazing monitor by gaming on it and beating people online, because that's what you do with something like this. And of course, be the best gamer ever. Hope you guys will tune in next time and join the streams where I may even challenge some of you guys if you think you can take this on. Which you can't, but you can try. Take care. All right, subscribe, Patreon, comment, whatever, all those things. Support, go team.